Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 1st September 2021 and this question came on second shift. So this question came on this year only. So let us see this question first. Question says two resistors R1 which is 4 plus minus 0.8 ohm. So that means resistance R1 is 4 ohm and the error in it is 0.8 ohm, and resistor R2 which is 4 ohm again and error in it is 0.4 ohm are connected in parallel. These two resistors are connected in parallel. So the equivalent resistors of their parallel combination will be, that you need to find out. Okay, and the option is also given to you. So we know that we have to make these two resistors go in parallel. So for parallel combination, the equivalent resistance we already know as it must be equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So this must be the equivalent resistance of these two resistors in when it is connected in parallel. So R1 is 4 and R2 is also 4. R1 plus R2 comes out to be 8. So finally you will get this answer as 2 ohm. Okay, so the effective resistance of these two resistance must be equal to, so the equivalent resistance must be equal to 2 ohm. Now you need to find out the error in this equivalent resistance, because since the error in the individual resistors is also given to you. Okay, so again we'll visualize this question and we know that this R equivalent must be equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Okay, differentiating these with respect to any arbitrary value along these two, and finally what you'll be getting as it must be equal to this error dr equivalent divided by R equivalent whole square must be equal to d R1 divided by R1 whole square, because you have to differentiate these two terms, the LHS and RHS, with respect to any arbitrary value, and that arbitrary value will cancel out and finally eventually you will get this expression. So dr2 divided by R2 whole square. In the terms of error it can be written as delta R equivalent. So this is the error in the equivalent resistance that you need to find out. Here it is R equivalent whole square must be equal to delta R1, which is error in R1 resistor, plus delta R2, and R2 is error, delta R2 is error in second resistors. Now all the values we already know, and you have to put the value in this expressions, and eventually you'll get the delta R equivalent, that is error in equivalent resistance. So what we'll be getting as, so delta R equivalent divided by R equivalent is 2 ka whole square, so you'll be getting as 4, and delta R1 is also given to you, which is 0.8 divided by R1 is 4, so 4 4 is 16, plus again the delta R2 is given as 0.4 divided by 16. So solve this expression, you'll get delta R equivalent as 0.3 ohm. Okay, so that means the equivalent resistance can be written as 2 ohm plus minus 0.3 ohm. Okay, so this is the expression that we are getting, and so the option third would be the correct option. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.